It always rains on my birthday. How sweet is that? Leanne's here. I'm the queen of lemon drizzle. Do you love it? There I am. I've never had a Millie's cookie before. Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. I hope you're all having a lovely day so far. Today is actually my birthday. Today I am 22 years of age. So I thought I'd vlog today because we're having a nice homey birthday obviously. I guess I could go out for drinks and stuff, but it's not really a bit of me. I've actually been really looking forward to today. Last night I did actually go over to a friend's house and me and my best friends sat in her garden on a little picnic blanket with an umbrella and we ordered a pizza and it was very lovely. So I had a little celebration with them yesterday. They even bought me out a little cake. It was adorable. And today is a day with my family and with Sunny. I got up this morning and opened some lovely presents from my mum and dad. And now I've just got ready for the day. And today is actually very exciting for another reason. Because today we are launching 2 new products with Candid. And I'm so excited. I'm actually wearing one of them right now. So this is the new t-shirt. I look better on weekends. I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna roll the sleeves up a little bit, tuck it into my shorts, and it will look super cute. And we're also launching a makeup bag, and I'm just about to take the pictures for the website. There's already pictures of the products on there, but we just want to update them with pictures of me in them. So I'm about to take those pictures and send them off to the team. So if you haven't already seen them, these are the makeup bags. Weekdays average, weekends fab. I completely designed these by myself. I love that they've got this black base. They're a really natural material as well. They feel so soft. I'm so impressed with the quality of these. They've got a nice thick zip as well. It's not like a really thin zip. This is the large and this is the medium. They're really good sizes. I'll probably use this one for makeup and this one as like a toiletries bag because this is a really nice size. You could fit shampoo bottles in this or whatever. This actually holds 5 litres and this one holds 3 litres. I wanted them to be really decent sizes because there's nothing worse than a makeup bag that's too small and you've got to squash all your stuff in it. So this one's going to fit makeup and brushes, which is perfect. This was another one of the samples, but we're not actually going to be selling this one. There was a choice between this one and these natural and black ones, and I much prefer the natural and black. This one is okay. It's a bit more like, it gives me a bit more of a glam vibe, but I think these ones are definitely more me. And then inside, this one is the medium. The label says ethically produced. Absolutely love that. And just like everything else on the Candid website, these are made to order, so nothing's going to waste. We're trying to be as environmentally friendly as possible, but I can't get over how soft this material is. It's a canvas. I'll try and show you close up, but it's a bit of like a velvet texture. Absolutely obsessed with them. They're my new favourite thing ever. And they are actually live on the Candid website as you're watching this video, so go and check them out if you haven't already. If you think they're a bit of you, I hope they are because they're definitely a bit of me. But I'm about to take these pictures now. It's really hot today. It was supposed to be really miserable weather today, but I'm actually thoroughly impressed. Just put my fan on. It always rains on my birthday. It has rained a little bit this morning, I'm not gonna lie, but it's so nice and warm still. It's lovely. I've had to get changed because I'm too hot. Can you believe it? I didn't think it was gonna be this weather today. I'm so pleased. It's not sunny, it's just warm. It's very cloudy though, but oh my gosh, look. My mum and dad got me this little necklace for my birthday. How sweet is that? I absolutely love it. It's going to be so nice for like meals out and stuff. It was from Pandora, in case you're wondering. I think it's beautiful. They also got me these earrings. These are from ASOS. I love them. They've got little hearts on. It's now about lunchtime. I've finished some of my work for the morning. I've still got a bit of editing to do on tonight's video. But I had a couple of lovely bunches of flowers arrive from my friends. I've just put them all in vases. But my lovely friends Ruxar and Abdul very kindly got me some roses. And my Becca, who you guys know, got me some sunflowers and an afternoon tea in Brighton as well. So when I next go and see her, we're gonna go and do that. These are the flowers my mum and dad got me this morning. Look at this pillow of Sunny as well. How cute is that? Throwback to when we had flowers in our garden. They're all gone now. She's ripped all of them out. And my management, how sweet, got me a Millie's cookie. How good does that look? White chocolate. I've never had a Millie's cookie before, but right now Sunny's just had her lunch. We're about to have ours. I think we're gonna have like a picky lunch. My dad's actually at work today, so it's just me and my mum home. And then we're gonna make my birthday cake. We're gonna make a lemon drizzle. That was my request for this year because lemon drizzle cake is my absolute favourite. Whenever I go to like Costa or Starbucks, if I'm a bit peckish, slice of lemon drizzle is where it's at. I do have a couple of family members coming over today, which is why I'm so glad that the weather's good because we can stay in the garden and they can still come over. So far, I'm having a very lovely day. Lovely birthday. Very excited for my launch tonight. Sunny's happy because she's got a present. I bought her a Sophie the giraffe because they're so cute. It's actually a baby toy, so I don't think it's going to last very long. But I just love it. She looks so cute with it. Wow, look at this birthday lunch. This looks so nice. This is all my favourite things. You don't like these meats though, do you?
No.
I'll have all of those. We've got some cheese, coleslaw, mozzarella bites. We've got some ciabatta bread, or as you called it this morning.
Ciabatta.
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 And some
Ciabatta.
celery and cream cheese. This looks yummy. Thank you. Okay, so it's been a little while. Leanne's here. Yay. She very kindly brought me some presents round. Look at these. First of all, oh my goodness, I absolutely love my Chilly's bottle. I've got like the big version of it already, but this little one is going to be so handy. I've got the, I don't know if it's a jaguar or a cheetah on my one. It's got an animal on it. This one is also from the tropical range. This is the elephant. How cute is that? Do you love it? I love it so much. And then she also got me this. If you know me, you know that this is literally my dream bouquet. Bouquet? Bouquet. Bouquet.
I say bouquet.
Bouquet. Leanne's going to stay around. We're going to have a takeaway tonight. We're going to have an Indian. I'm very excited. What are you going to get?
I don't know.
Don't you?
No, I think I always, every time I get Indian, I try and get.
Do you?
Yeah,
oh, I'm
I
the
look at
opposite.
menu.
I'm like, I know what I'm having straight away with an Indian. Chicken korma, pilau rice, peshwari naan, possibly. Stop digging! Sunny, if anyone's got any advice of how to make your dog stop digging in the grass, please let me know. Anyway, continue.
Yeah, I don't know. It just depends what mood I'm in, really.
We'll see. We'll keep you updated for the grand reveal. I know you've all been waiting to hear. So, Leanne, what did you get?
Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka. So it's now the evening and we're about to watch this programme called Inside Misguided because I'm actually in it. I'm really excited to see it. Apparently I'm more in episode 2, which is on next Wednesday at 10 o'clock on Channel 4. But we're going to watch a little bit of it. I think it's like some clips of my videos.
Change the face of like everything.
I'm not beating myself up about it. I'm just accepting I'm a shopaholic.
Isn't
that so weird to see that? That was filmed upstairs in that bedroom up there. Oh no, I'm here back. There I am, curling my hair.
Show off their Insta-perfect lives to the masses daily.
Hello my loves. Oh, look at my lovely flowers. Can't remember if I've showed you these already. How beautiful are they though? Thank you Ruxar and Abdul. It's now the next day obviously. It is the 14th of August. I'm just cooking myself some pasta for lunch. It's actually 2:30 though. I'm having a really late lunch today. I just wasn't really hungry to be honest. I've been out this morning doing a few chores. I had something to pick up from the post office. I'm now back. I'm home alone. Everyone else is at work. My mum sometimes works with my dad at his business, so they're currently at work. Oh, we weighed Sunny today. I did actually pop in because my dad, he like sells stuff online, so they have a proper weighing machine. I weighed her. She's almost 15 weeks old and she's 2.8 kilograms, so she's very little for a Cavapoo, but bless her, she'll get there eventually. Anyway, it's pesto pasta with red onion and cheese for lunch today. I'm just about to put it into boil. Look at how Sunny sleeps sometimes. You're all twisted, pup. There we go, that's better. Oh, you've got floppy here. Let's flop it back over for you. There you go.
Set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
I might be a day late, but I finally got round to baking my birthday cake. We've got a lemon drizzle. It doesn't look the most appetising on camera, or in person actually, but I'm telling you, I'm the queen of lemon drizzle. This cake, gonna be delish, I just know it.
You set my world on fire.
It is now Saturday, and it's actually Saturday afternoon. This evening I'm going to see some of my friends, the same friends that I saw just before my birthday. We are having another garden catch-up, another garden takeaway, this time not a pizza but a Chinese. Me and my friends love to eat. So I thought I would show you my makeup routine because quite a lot of people have asked me about this recently. I'm loving a really natural makeup look. I don't go really heavy with anything. So yeah, I thought I would run through my makeup routine because it's super quick, super easy, and I think it looks nice. Sometimes. I've just washed my hair but I haven't done anything to it yet, so apologies for that. I've just used eye cream and I've also moisturised, and of course I've been using my own makeup bags. I can't tell you enough how much I love them. This one is the size medium and it fits all of my makeup and all of the brushes that I use, as you can see, with plenty of room to spare. So I'd say if you own like an average or slightly higher amount of makeup, this one is absolutely perfect. I also had a few questions on Instagram about the missing dot on the colon. This one one. I can't believe none of us noticed. Literally none of me or my team noticed that at all. This one was a quick sample which was produced for me so I could see the quality of the bags and things like that before I approved them. The final samples will have both dots on the colon. Anyway, like I was saying, if you own an average to high amount of makeup, size medium, perfect. There's so much room in it. But if you own a lot of makeup and you travel with a lot, the large is where it's at. 5 litre capacity this is. You could fit so much in here. I don't travel with loads of makeup, so I think my go-to will be the medium. However, I'm definitely going to be using this for toiletries, like body gels, shampoos, dry shampoo. It's going to fit so much in it. So for me, it's going to be toiletries and makeup. But if you do travel with loads of makeup and big palettes and stuff, this is a really, really nice size. As for my makeup, I've just moisturised using Glossier's Priming Moisturiser. I don't love it. I've said it before. You can use any moisturiser. I'm just using it because I've bought it now. Next up, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I use this as a primer and a setting spray. Put my hair back, don't mind me looking like an egg. So I've just taken out my brushes that I use every day. This is all my makeup. Look how much room there is in it. I'm honestly so happy with it. There's nothing worse than a small makeup bag and having to squash everything in. And with all my brushes in it as well, still loads more room. Okay, first step is concealer. I use the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, and they've actually changed the shade names. Come on camera. They've had a little rebrand. Look how posh it looks now. I used to use the shade Warm Medium. I now use the shade Buttermilk. So that goes under the eyes, on my nose, and on my chinny chin. Next up, I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer. My fake tan, as you can see, is pretty much, it's at the end of its life now. So I'm not going to use a dark bronzer because I don't want my face to be really dark and the rest of me not. I'm just going to use Benefit's Hoola Light Bronzer today. I really like this. I love the Hoola bronzer, so when they brought out this lighter version, I was like, yes, that will be perfect for when I'm pale. And it is. Start off with my forehead. This is a really nice natural bronzer. Like, I don't really want much bronze at all. It's like a mixture between just a powder and a bronzer. And face check. Next step is blusher. At the minute, I've been using Iconic London's Sheer Blush. This is in the shade, what is this called? Rose Riot. I absolutely love this. This is a liquid blush. A little bit definitely goes a long way with this. I also put a bit of blush on my nose. I think it looks cute. This is another product that's really natural. It's kind of like a mixture between a blush and a highlight. Got little bits of shimmer in it. It's super cute. I think this just makes you look really healthy. Let me turn my brightness of my camera down a bit so you can actually see me. That would be good, huh? I don't put too much on my nose, but I think a little bit is like, oh, you've caught the sun. You've got a little rosy nose. Just me that thinks that? Probably. My next step is going to be brows. So at the minute, I've been using this. This is also from Iconic London. This is the Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. It looks like this. It comes with this little contraption. It's actually really handy. And I use mostly the lighter side of this. Then I use a little bit of Benefit's 24-hour brow setter to keep them in place. And I actually like my brows quite, not messy looking, but full. So I kind of like spike them out with this. Under my brows, I use the Wet n Wild, what is this called? Ultimate Brow Highlighter. And I just put a little bit there and a little bit there. I actually couldn't be without this. Very underrated product. I like this just to lighten up under my brow bone. I then use a bit of Glossier's Lid Star in the shade, I think this is called Moon. It is indeed. It's actually an eyeshadow, but I use this as a brow highlight because it's so easy, and again, it's really natural looking. So I put a bit on my brow bone and also a little bit of this on my nose. I don't know why. You know when you just get into a routine of using things? This is one of those products where I'm like, is it an absolute must? Probably not. Am I going to use it anyway? Yep. I am actually going to use a little bit of eyeliner today, just because I feel like it. This is my fave eyeliner. I got this in a glossy box. It's from Huda Beauty, and it's called the Lifeliner Extreme Black. And this end is like a twisty liner, and this end is a kohl liner. So you can do your wing, and then you can do your waterline. It's absolutely perfecto. I am running out of it though, so it might be a bit dry. I really don't like that wing. Bye-bye. It was a bit too long and not pointy enough. A little bit of powder under my eyes next. I use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. I think this is in the shade Pound Cake, but I'm not sure. I love this powder. Best powder I've ever used. Then after a couple of minutes, I just sweep off the excess. Lovely jubbly. Next thing I'm going to do is my highlight. We've got another Iconic London product. I just love Iconic London. Didn't realise I'm such a big fan, but these are the Illuminator drops. I'm sure you will have heard of these. These are the original ones, and a little bit really does go a long way with these. And that's it. Unless you want to look like a mirror or a satellite dish, that's enough. It's at this point where I'm going to use a little bit of setting spray. I do this before my mascara because otherwise I feel like it's going to make my mascara run. For my mascara, I use a mixture between the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, and also I got this for my birthday, the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I really like it so far. This one's kind of more for volume, and this one is to like spread them out. And then the final step of my makeup routine is lip balm. This is my favourite one to wear out and about. This is Glossier's mintbalm.com. Feels really nice and refreshing. And that is my everyday makeup. I'm now going to get changed, do my hair, and take Sunny to my friend's house to go and meet my friends. I'm very excited. She's going to absolutely love it. She loves people and she loves attention. But anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I really hope you've enjoyed watching it. And of course, a big thank you to all of you who sent me very kind birthday messages. It was so sweet of you and it really did make my day. Give this video a big thumbs up if you love the new Candid products as much as I do. I'm so proud of them. There is a link to them in the description down below in case you want to go and check them out. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a lovely week and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye guys. Love ya.